Good afternoon. My name is Mike Hughes. I am involved in the design and engineering of various telematics devices that are used in vehicles, both heavy duty and light duty vehicles. I recently acquired a simulation tool and a monitoring tool that you'll see here. It's the Inpronic CAN bus multiplexer trainer. I'm using this tool with a variety of sources of telematics data and recipients of telematics data to make it easier for me to engineer solutions and determine when devices and products work together successfully. As you can see here, I'm running an actual emulation today using a Freematics OBDII emulator, feeding that into a VPAC OBDII wireless scanner. And then that scanner is connected wirelessly through BLE to my telematics device, in this case a Teltonics product that we've recently begun to integrate. As you can see on my screen, the device that we're using from Inpronic allows me to monitor two different channels of diagnostic OBDII data as it's created on the fly by the emulator and then transmitted into the telematics device. You can see that the Freematics platform gives me the ability to emulate the various parameters, so I know what I should be receiving at both the transmitted and received ends, as well as in the data that appears in my telematics platform. I can't tell you enough how useful this tool has become to my work. I've been doing this for a long time. I've been in the telematics industry since it began, 1994. And this is one of the more useful tools that I have ever found to complete my analysis and integration efforts.